Let us start. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ अ चार्ज कंडक्टर. इसको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए हमने एक कंडक्टर लिया हुआ है. सपोज करो इस कंडक्टर को हम कुछ चार्ज दे रहे हैं. जैसे ही आप कुछ चार्ज इसको देते हो, सपोज कर लीजिए कि हमने एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज यहाँ पे दिया हुआ. फिर एडिशनल जो है, जब इसके बाद आप कोई चार्ज दोगे और ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज आप इसको देना चाहते हो, तो दोनों के बीच में रिपल्शन होगा. बिकॉज यू नो लाइक चार्जेस रिपेल ईच अदर. और जब रिपल्शन होगा, इसका मतलब रिपल्सन के अगेंस्ट हमें वर्क करना पड़ेगा, या जो इलेक्ट्रिक सोर्स है, जो एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक सोर्स है जो कि चार्ज इसको प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, उसे वर्क करना पड़ेगा. कहने का मतलब ये है कि जैसे जैसे इस बॉडी की चार्जिंग होगी, जैसे जैसे इसको हम चार्ज देते जाएंगे, वैसे वैसे हमको और ज्यादा वर्क करना पड़ेगा. एक्चुअली the work done in the process of charging a conductor is stored in it in the form of potential energy, and that potential energy is called electric potential energy. Means the definition of electric potential energy is that the work done in the process of charging a conductor is called its electric potential energy. Now I am supposing we have given q coulomb charge to the conductor so that the total charge is distributed over its surface. Q coulomb charge is distributed over its surface and its potential raises to V volt, and V is equal to Q upon C, where C is the capacitance of this conductor. V is equal to Q upon C. Now what we have to do? I have just told you that electric potential energy of a charged conductor is equal to the work done in the process of charging. Work done in the process of charging. So we have to find what amount of work is being done in supplying charge 0 to Q to this conductor. So first of all, I am assuming the work done in providing additional charge dq to this conductor. After having q coulomb charge by the conductor, if dq additional charge is given to this conductor, what will happen to the work done? A small work done will be equal to V multi dq, because you know V is equal to dw upon dq. dq चार्ज देने में हमें dw वर्क करना पड़ेगा, तो dw is equal to V multi dq, और V की वैल्यू क्या है? V is equal to q upon c. हमें करना क्या है? हमें टोटल वर्क डन फाइंड करना है. किस प्रोसेस में? चार्जिंग के प्रोसेस में. और चार्जिंग कहां से कहां तक हो रही है? जीरो चार्ज टू क्यू चार्ज तक हमें वर्क डन फाइंड करना है. सो टोटल वर्क डन, टोटल वर्क डन इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ चार्जिंग, total work done in the process of charging. The total work done in the process of charging will be W. W is equal to integration dW. Integration dW is equal to integration V dq. हमने इसमें चार्ज कहां से कहां तक दिया हुआ है? 0 to Q. Putting the value of V, putting the value of V is equal to, you know, Q upon C, and this is dq. So this can be solved as 1 by C is constant, and integration Q dq is equal to Q square upon 2. The limit is varying from 0 to Q. So this will be 1 upon 2C, and this is upper limit minus lower limit. So work done is equal to Q square upon 2C. By definition, this is the electric potential energy of the charged conductor. You know, the work done in the process of charging a conductor is stored in it in the form of potential energy, and that potential energy is called its electric potential energy, and this is Q square upon 2C. But you know, Q is equal to CV, so you can place it Q is equal to CV means C square V square upon 2C. 1C will be cancelled with 1C and you are left with 1 by 2 CV square. Ultimately you have the formula of electric potential energy. U is equal to Q square upon 2C, that is equal to